this brilliant insan, I would say. एक बहुत ही कमाल के human being. Let's welcome National Award-winning director and the visionary behind this monumental truth, Dhurandhar Aditya Dhar.
लड़की बोला हाय अर्जुन, मैंने बोला तुमको ऐसे लुक में भी ये हॉट लगते हैं? हाय अर्जुन रामपाल यार. But yeah, sir, the acting has just been absolute aces. But more than anything, sir, thank you for uplifting me on set. You know, बहुत मुश्किल था, जैसे कि उन्होंने mention किया. चोट लग जाती थी, गिरते थे, पड़ते थे, खून पसीना लगाते थे. कभी-कभी सर भी ट्रिप करके गिर जाते थे, माथे पे लग जाता था, वो ऐसे उठ के कुछ नहीं चलो चलो. You know, he was just an absolute beast, and we are so honored to have you as part of this ensemble, sir. Thank you for everything. Sara, I can't believe we're here on this stage. What a special moment for you. I'm honored to be part of it. I'm lucky to be part of such a special moment for you. Sara here is a prodigy. आपको पता चलेगा, कुछ लोग होते हैं ना, मतलब बचपन से ही आपको पता है कि they are just like a child prodigy. Like एक बार डकोटा फैनिंग आई थी हॉलीवुड में. I think, Sara, it's testament to the fact that you beat thousands of other candidates to land this part, and it's as if you were born to do this. ऐसे लगता है ये 50 फिल्म करके आई हैं. She is so precocious as a person, as a performer. You are one of the finest actors that I have shared screen with. You make me look better, and my heartfelt gratitude for that. I just can't believe that it's your first film. Obviously, you know, somebody who I love and respect a lot, Mr. Mani Ratnam, sir, you've acted in his films as well, and you've showed your potential, and this is when the world will see you on the big stage, and I'm really, really happy, and I'm very, very proud of you. Thank you, Sara. Ma'am, आपके बारे में क्या बोलेंगे? हमारी adult rated film है. जो भाषा मैं आपके लिए यूज करना चाहता हूँ वो मैं शायद इस स्टेज को शोभा नहीं देगा. आज बड़ा फॉर्मल सा इवेंट है, बट आप so, you are an absolute beast, ma'am. It really takes conviction of another level to back something like this, a vision like this. And जब आप कुछ बहुत ही बड़ा करने जा रहे हैं लाइफ में, the process can never be easy. Every step of the way we would face challenges, and we could fall back on the backing of Jyoti Deshpande. Every pore of mine is grateful towards you for backing this, for mounting it, and for giving it everything that it needed to become what it is. Thank you so much, ma'am. And finally, the man, the visionary. इनके बारे में मैं कुछ बोलना नहीं चाहूँगा. जब आप पिक्चर देखेंगे, आप खुद महसूस करेंगे ये क्या चीज़ है. When he made Uri, he burst onto the scene like an absolute explosion. And it's been so many years. How many years, sir? You're back on screen?
7.
After 7 years, sir is making a film. And he's absolutely unflinching, absolutely uncompromising in his vision, in his execution. He never settles for anything other than what he's dreamed up. I doff my hat to you, sir. The amount of work you've put in over the past 2 years. First of all, when we first engaged, I was shocked that you were even making something like this. And he was like, यार करना है यार, दिखाना है दुनिया को कि हम कौन हैं. You know, he assumes the responsibility of Indian cinema, and that's why he's a champion, and you will see it on December 5th. What he's created is an absolutely unprecedented work of cinema, and I'm really happy and really proud that you made me a part of it. Thank you, sir. और हमारे कर्ता धर्ता, the man who made it all possible, put it all together and made sure that everybody put their best foot forward. We used to always say, if everybody here, and we had it's a big film, we had many people working on it, so many people. If everybody puts their best foot forward, everybody gives more than 100%, because this is a team sport, you see what will happen. And honestly, picture ka jo bhi ho, I feel like I've already won. Just being a part of this, going through this, the past 2 years, what we've created, I feel extremely blessed and extremely grateful. Thank you all. I hope you enjoyed the trailer. घर जाके YouTube पे भी देखना. और December 5th को come and feel and experience this on the big screen. Thank you so much.
Well, that was beautiful, ladies and gentlemen. Ranveer saying, Lokesh sir, this one's for you. First of all, congratulations. मतलब ये already ऐसा लग रहा है winner हमारे हाथ में है यहाँ पे, you know. Talking about B62 Studios, ये जो feel है इस film की, that's very international. लेकिन वो intrinsic Indian, you know, values are there. उसका बड़ा ख्याल रखा गया है. First of all, talk to us about that perfect balance, sir.
I think पहली बार जब आदित्य ने मेरे को कहानी सुनाई, तो मेरा पहला जवाब यही था कि हम इसको एक नए तरीके से कैसे बताएं, एक नए तरीके से कैसे बताएं और इसको ऐसा करें कि दुनिया में कभी किसी ने ऐसी फिल्म ना देखी हो. तो द आइडिया वाज टू सच्चाई से कितना हम करीब रह सकते हैं फिल्म में. तो ऑल द एफर्ट, ऑल द एक्टर्स, आई मीन देव जस्ट किल्ड इट. आप 5 दिसंबर को देखिए, हम ज़्यादा बोलना नहीं चाहते फिल्म के बारे में, मगर थैंक यू टू ऑल ऑफ यू, द HODs, द क्रू, एंड मोस्ट ऑफ ऑल थैंक यू ज्योति, थैंक यू प्रियंका, थैंक यू द एंटायर Jio team for backing this up. This could not have been possible otherwise. Yes.
Thank you. Sir, I'd just like to add, before we get to the main piece, that could not be more true than in this context. Two people I forgot to mention are Sanjay sir and Akshay sir. Akshay sir is going to be a scene stealer, as he always is in everything that he's a part of. We're really missing him today, and it's a massive deal for me to be in a movie with Sanju Baba. You know, bachpan se he's one of my screen idols, one of the major motion picture heroes from the 90s, copied his style, watched all his movies from a young age, and to be in a movie with him is extremely special.
Show it to people how you copy him. Come on.
सर आपने तो ट्रेलर में दिखा दिया, मैं बोल दूंगा तो वायरल हो जाएगा. SP असलम, अगर दगाबाजी की तो मारने से पहले तुझे बनाऊंगा. और जमील साहब आपको खस्सी.
Thank you so much. Yes, of course. Here, let's hear it for Sanjay Dutt Saab and Akshay Khanna. Two of the most amazing actors that we have in the industry. Ladies and gentlemen, now moving on to Jio Studios की यहाँ पे जो करता धरता है, जिन्होंने इससे पहले भी बड़ी सारी जो कमाल की फिल्में उनको बैक किया, but this time for the first time I am seeing Jyoti Deshpande ji a little emotional. First things first, मैम पहली बार मैं देख रहा हूँ ये एक अलग इमोशन चेहरे पे आया है. Talk to us about that पहले.
Thank you everyone for coming here again. Yes. मैं बार-बार बुलाते रहती हूँ, but इस बार it's something else only. I think 30 साल से फिल्में बना रही हूँ मैं, and सबके साथ पहले भी बहुत सारी फिल्में बना चुकी हूँ and success भी पाया है, except you, and hopefully this is one of many. But I think जो हम बोलते हैं words career defining, clutter breaking, genre bending, हम बहुत सारी चीज़ें theoretically बोलते हैं, but one has seen it come to life. क्योंकि real बारूद तो ये आदमी है. He has sort of taken all that fire that was built in him for the last 7 years, and we've been working for a very long time on several stories that he has produced, and he was working on this one, and all that fire, all that angst, all that any words will fail to describe what we experienced. So ये picture नहीं है, हम सब ने कुछ experience किया है बनाते हुए, and we are very excited to unleash it to the world. As an Indian, I believe that movies have a lot of influence, and we sit in positions of responsibility to tell stories that are meaningful and that have a lot of purpose. And this one, while it entertains such that it's going to blow your mind, it also has a lot of purpose, and it makes me proud as an Indian to have told this story. So thank you everyone, thank you everyone. It's now all we look forward to is presenting it to the audiences and let them have some fun.
Ma'am, just one more thing, you know, collaborating and partnering with B62 Studios one more time. And यहाँ पे जब शुरुआत हुई थी उस समय वो क्या विजन थी या क्या चल रहा था कि इसको इस लेवल पे हमको माउंट करना है, क्योंकि people are talking about the international level of whatever we seeing on that big screen.
देखो अभी हम इनके साथ काफी फिल्में बना चुके हैं, तो हमें पता है कि वो पहले फंसाते हैं. तो पहले वो अंदर करते हैं, पूरा कुछ बताते नहीं है, और जब आप अंदर जा चुके हो आप फिर चलते जाते हो एक विजन में. बट ये आदमी से ज्यादा प्योर आदमी है नहीं ये इंडस्ट्री में. इतना प्योर इंटेंडेड है, his intentions are so pure that he brings out the best in everyone. And you know, Ranveer, I have worked with you on several films, Bajirao, Ramleela, you know, we've had Singham. However, the way you've surrendered mind, body and soul to this one, it's, you know, I mean, we feel it's career defining. मतलब दुनिया उठ के देखेगी, not just India. Well done everyone.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
I just want to add to what ma'am said. You know, when a person is so righteous in their intent, you know, when he has a purpose behind telling the story, something great always comes out of it. Or like you, ma'am, I also went along with it, faced every challenge along the way, and he was leading from the front with such passion that it was infectious, it was contagious, and I'm only ever so grateful to you, sir. You didn't, not for a second did Arjun ki aankh hoti hai na. Oh, that's how you've gone about this film, sir. We were at a very similar stage in life when we met for this film. Over the past 2 years, we've both grown together. He had a baby boy, I had a baby girl, you know, and we worked out of our skin to make sure that, you know, our people, our team, our families, our audience are proud of what we've made over here. When we were talking about it in that same stage, I said, sir, ye aisi Hindi cinema mein bani nahi hai. He's like, I know that, bro. I know that. That's exactly what I'm trying. तो ये है लंबी छलांग और आपने जो मारी है सर, जो मारी है. मतलब we used to discuss, यार एक टाइम पे एक फिल्म सिकारियो बनी थी, Zero Dark 30, Munich, American Gangster. मतलब we want to be counted amongst the most elite installments in the genre in the world. And we are Hindi cinema, we are Indian cinema, and we are here to make our country proud.
Absolutely. वो नहीं, you know, जब लोग आते हैं सुनाने के लिए बोलते हैं, you know, Extraction meets Inception या Mission Impossible meets XYZ, and मैं तभी नरेशन बंद कर देती हूँ. You know, so अब मुझे ऐसे लग रहा है कि ये फिल्म की मिसाल दी जाएगी कि, you know, धुरंधर meets XYZ, लोग कोशिश करते रहेंगे. I've always wanted to be, you know, in my position, a kingmaker. I think this film will make many kings. And a beautiful queen.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much for sharing that. And now, ladies and gentlemen, the writer, director, and producer of Dhurandhar, Aditya Dhar. Give it up for him. पहले तो मतलब शक ही हो जाता because he's so sweet, you know, every time you meet him he's like very you know nice to you. ऐसे हमें आदत नहीं है सर, मतलब थोड़ा टशन देना चाहिए आपने भी. लेकिन यहाँ पे with that smile, please tell us, you know, we all loved the teaser and now with this trailer you've outdone yourself like completely. So what do you have to say? The hype is real. ये सिर्फ छाती बजा के हम बड़ी बातें नहीं कर रहे हैं. We are actually showing it on that big screen. Talk to us about it, sir.
So when we started this journey, there was a gap of almost 5 years that I hadn't made a film. And when I started writing it, somehow I started getting, and thanks to Mukesh Chabra, when we started casting, when Ranveer came on board, he started casting, somehow we started getting hold of people who were there to prove themselves. Right. हमारी टीजर में एक डायलॉग है, घायल हूँ इसलिए घातक हूँ. वो सब घायल थे. एंड उन्होंने जो परफॉर्म किया, इतने घातक तरीके से परफॉर्म किया हर एक ने, हर HOD ने इतने ब्रिलियंट तरीके से परफॉर्म किया है. इट्स एक्स्ट्राऑर्डिनरी. Everybody has put their heart and soul into this film. It doesn't happen very often. Like कई बारी होता है कि HODs get into a project because there is money is good. कई बारी they get into a project because it's prestigious. this was a project जिसमें absolute pure intent, actors से लेके, HOD से लेके, even assistant से लेके, even spot दादा तक, everybody was like कि यार इस film के लिए जान देनी है. We have worked 16 hours, 18 hours continuously for 1.5 years, and not even once has anybody complained कि sir आप हमसे ज़्यादा काम करवा रहे हो. Everybody has given their 100%. Absolutely, and that's how this film happens.
So मैम ने बोला ना आप ऐसा एक बार लेते हो अंदर और उसके बाद लपेट लेते हैं, तो I'm sure वही होने वाला है. You have to say it on the mic.
I said we also didn't complain कि ज़्यादा पैसे लग रहे हैं.
कर दी उन्होंने काम की बात. Please tell us, sir, there's another thing. You know, मैंने सुना है आपने इसकी पूरी making को, you've called it an act of God. So you have to talk about that. थोड़ा elaborate कीजिए. और साथ ही, you know, he's one of those storytellers, ladies and gentlemen, जो कि शायद फिल्में बनाना, भारतीय फिल्में बनाना, उन्हें ग्लोबल लेवल तक पहुंचाना अपनी नेशनल ड्यूटी समझते हैं. So थोड़ा सा उसके बारे में भी बताइए.
So I don't believe in the languages in India. I believe that we are representing Indian film industry.
Yeah.
Our job is to take Indian film industry to international level, to make it stand at the same podium where South Korea के लिए Parasite stand हुई थी, जहाँ पे Crouching Tiger, Hidden Dragon China के लिए stand हुई थी. I also want to reach that position जहाँ पे हम जब खड़े होंगे तो पूरी दुनिया देखेगी कि हिंदुस्तान से बहुत ही international level की film आई, and at the same time it's entertaining. It's not like आप मतलब उसको art house के category में नहीं डाल रहे हैं, आप entertaining film बना रहे हो और पूरी दुनिया के लिए बना रहे हो, and that has always been the intent. Second is I don't know about me, but I know that my team went on to God mode in this film. Yeah. My actors went, each and every scene, my actors were in it 24/7, be it Arjun sir, Maddie sir, Rakesh sir, Sara, Ranveer, Akshay sir, Sanju sir, everybody was like on God mode in this film.
मैं एक बात कहना चाहूँगा, मैंने ऐसा कभी लाइफ में नहीं देखा कि एक बार हम शूटिंग कर रहे थे और पैकअप हो गया रणवीर का, थोड़ी देर में देखा कि एक असिस्टेंट जो है पूरा क्राउड मैनेज कर रहा है टोपी पहन के. मैंने कहा इतना अच्छा कौन कर रहा है काम, बाद में मालूम पड़ा रणवीर वहीं बैठा हुआ, गया ही नहीं वापस. ये ही वाज असिस्टिंग, यू नो, बहुत देर तक, ऐसा नहीं कि मतलब ऑलमोस्ट 3-4 घंटे तक ही वाज मैनेजिंग एवरीथिंग व्हाट एन असिस्टेंट शुड डू. दैट वाज द काइंड ऑफ कमिटमेंट रणवीर शोड इन दिस फिल्म.
Thank you, sir. This is one of those films where, you know, you'll do anything for the shot.
Absolutely.
Anything for the shot. And when that is the attitude that every person on the team goes in with, then you get something you can be proud of. And I'm very, very proud of what we've made.
Absolutely.
Thank you, guys.
Extremely proud of. Can I call my HODs on stage,
For sure,
please?
sir. Of
Can
course.
I have all my HODs? And one thing I want to tell you guys. Yeah, Mukesh, Sashwat, Smriti, Preeti,
Yay!
Varun, Manav, Soumya, everybody, come guys, come on stage.
Come on, ladies and gentlemen, give it up for them. Some very, very important people, जिनकी वजह से ये hope आया है, of course.
There are one or two mentions, like special mentions, special names I want to mention. Sameer Sadhwani, my first AD, phenomenal. Rohan, my associate director, phenomenal. Thank you so much. And one name is, and the entire team, all the assistants on this film, be it like costume department, art department, all the assistants. Thank you so much for bearing with me for such a long time. One name I want to mention over here. You guys really enjoyed the teaser. You guys really enjoyed the trailer. I just want to tell you, the teaser and the trailer was cut by my 22-year-old DA. His name is Ojas Gautam. Can I have Ojas on stage? He deserves to be here. He has put his heart and soul over here. Ojas! He's 22 years old. He's very close to me. He was there with me from, I think, 2020, 21 onwards. He was there with me when I was struggling and we were trying to make Ashwathama happen. And one of the reasons why I was able to make this film was because of the persistency of this boy. Because he never stopped believing in me. He really, really pushed me. Another name I would like to take is my editor, Shiv Kumar Panikar, who's also one of my closest friends. That guy has backed me right from Uri days. He has been one of my oldest film friends. And these two boys really, really pushed me, really, really made this film happen. It was all their persistency that we are standing here. And it's all their hard work. It's been almost 72 to 76 hours this boy hasn't slept. He was cutting this trailer till 4 in the morning and then got the DCP done and everything. So please give a big round of applause to Ojas.
I want to add something about Ojas. You should know कि आदित्य फिल्म में बहुत बढ़िया बनाता है, but narration बहुत बकवास देता है.
मैं देता ही नहीं हूँ.
Ojas is the one who converts scripts to green lighting. वो इतना बढ़िया narration देता है कि you know all those scenes come to life, and all the films that we made with B62.
She insists कि I want
I
Ojas.
insist कि Ojas सुनाएगा तभी मैं पिक्चर बनाऊंगी. नहीं तो पिक्चर समझ में नहीं आती है.
So I truly believe next 10 years he's going to be the biggest director in India.
Wow.
I second that, sir. I second that.
I'll make sure. I'll make sure he becomes the best director in India.
Ojas sir, namaste. Ojas sir. Ojas sir, namaste.
15 seconds I want to take to actually apologize to my team. You know, Priyanka, Deepak, Amita, Swapnil, Udit. I know I've become a monster, and you know, it's not all smiles and, you know, sense of humor like I'm seeming now. So thank you for putting up with me.
Thank you, Gio. Team Gio, phenomenal. Thank you so much for everything.
Thank you so much. And I must say, you know, जिस honesty से एक चीज यहाँ पे बोली है, और वो जो bond यहाँ दिख रहा है ना, वो ही धुरंधर को धुरंधर बनाता है. इस टीम के लिए एक बार जोरदार तालियां, ladies and gentlemen. We'll get to watch this spectacular, whatever this is, that's going to blow your minds away, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, this is not just a movie, Ranveer.
You said it right, bhai. देखेंगे क्या है ये, whatever this is something crazy.
और एक बार दिखाओगे?
Sorry?
देखना है तो और
बनता है मैम. बनता है मैम.
5th December we'll get, yeah.
I urge everyone to silently watch it so that you catch the dialogues and make a noise and bring the stadium down after the trailer.
Come on.
Lovely.
Let's do it.
We're going to do that. लेकिन उससे पहले भाई एक छोटी सी गुजारिश, I know. Photo? Yeah, एक इस टीम के साथ फोटो कर लें?
चलो.
हाँ?